Hey and welcome to the GHL Club. My name is Martin Delving and I am one of the first HighLevel certified admins worldwide and one of HighLevel's top affiliates. In the German-speaking market, we've built a unique community system that has helped thousands of users truly understand HighLevel, implement it successfully and scale with clarity and confidence. Now we're bringing this proven concept to the international stage with more structure, real support and maximum value for you. But what to expect inside of the free GHL Club? This is where high-level users from all over the world come together to ask questions, share answers and grow together. You will also find regular workshops covering everything around high-level, automation, smart agency processes and more. And if you signed up or upgraded your plan through our network, you also get access to the GHL Club Premium community. And with it, our biggest unique advantage. Daily live calls every single weekday, Monday till Friday, hosted at rotating times so you can join no matter which time zone you live in. Exclusively led by high-level certified admins Ben Seidel, George Givagis, Henriette Gladiato, Ihor Timko and Melanie Sibura. No coaching fees, no hidden upsells, just 100% real support. Plus, done for you snapshots, templates, exclusive tools and real guidance from our expert team. And here's a quick overview of the main channels here in the GHL Club. First of all, home. This is where you land first, a full overview of all current posts, questions and updates. In the hello area, you can introduce yourself. Who are you? What do you do? Are you already using HighLevel? And what do you want to achieve? This is your best chance to connect with others. Next, the announcements channel. This is where we share important updates, upcoming workshops or urgent news from the admin team. Questions and answers. Ask anything here, no matter how basic or advanced. The community and we admins are happy to help. High-level news, official updates, launches and product news from HighLevel posted here for quick access. And then we have the ideas channel. Post and linked feature requests from the official GoHighLevel ideas board. Let's upvote together as a community and help shape the platform's future. And last but absolutely not least, resources, snapshots, codes, templates, bonus tools, everything shared by the community and us. We are so happy to have you here. Let's build the strongest high-level network on the planet. Welcome to GHL Club.